Then there is a term called authentication protocol. उस पे बात करते हैं थोड़ा. Simply put, an authentication protocol is a communication protocol. आपने जैसे communication protocol देखे हैं नेटवर्किंग लेयर के अंदर, TCP, IP, ठीक है, UDP, इस तरीके से जो प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं उसी तरीके से आप ऑथेंटिकेशन प्रोटोकॉल समझ सकते हैं. It can be encrypted or designed to ensure the safe transfer of authentication data between two or more different parties. In order to make employing an analogy, let's say that you want to transfer some money from one bank to another. In order to do this, you first need to complete the necessary documentation to prove that you are a rightful owner of that money. Then you would need to find secure vehicle for the transportation process, since you cannot put bankroll a hand cart and merely roll along. In addition, you would also need to ensure that secure vehicle are not identifiable for safety for your money. All of it is not a wise idea to carry large sum of money in the open, or all the people, or tell the people the license plate number of your money loaded vehicle. So now cryptography and authentication process work very similarly. The necessary documentation you submit to the bank is user verification and authentication. Secure vehicle और ऑथेंटिकेशन प्रोटोकॉल एक एग्जांपल के फॉर्म में आपको बताया गया. एंड मेकिंग श्योर दैट योर मनी फील्ड व्हीकल आर अनआइडेंटिफाई इज द एनक्रिप्शन ऑफ डाटा. तो उससे कोरिलेट किया गया